Let me show you how to set full profile picture on WhatsApp. If you want to upload your full profile picture, watch the video till the end. Here is problem when you upload your profile picture on WhatsApp. Here you can see crop option. I select this, want to upload in full size. Here you can see by using this trick you can easily upload your full profile picture on WhatsApp. Just follow two steps. First step is download one application. I tell you how to download and how to use. First we see how to use this app. Just open and then click on gallery, select your profile picture. This is simple software how to create full profile picture for WhatsApp. This software easily adjusts your photo and you can easily use in full size and other any app like Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. Here some setting. After doing this, just save. Then we try how to upload full in WhatsApp, and I save this profile picture in my gallery. Just go back and open WhatsApp. Here you can see easily and successfully add this profile picture on WhatsApp. I select my profile and successfully add this full in size in WhatsApp profile picture. Method how to download this software. Just go back and open Play Store. Here type what's crop and search what's crop. Scroll down. Here you can see full image deep edit maker. Just download this app. I put the link in description. Thank you.